What's up with rates? Are they at all-time lows or rising? I just want to know if it's a good or bad time to buy. Will Koenig here from Cornerstone Home Lending, and when you work with the Koenig team, you'll always know your numbers, know the next step, and know that you'll close on time. It can get pretty confusing when you're considering buying a home. So much has changed in the markets lately that if you're trying to time the market to buy at the right time, you could miss out on your home. More importantly, you could miss out on all the financial benefits of owning a home altogether. Our housing market is driven by two main things right now. Number one is a shortage of homes. Number two are low rates. We've already talked about the home shortage in part one of this series. So how do rates affect you when you're buying a home? Rates hit their lowest ever in 2020, and we are rebounding back from these record lows, which is great because it means our economy is recovering. It also means that as rates rise, the same home could cost you more money than it used to. It could also mean that you need to downgrade your home search, which is a tough choice when homes are going up in value. So every time the mortgage rate increases, the loan amount has to decrease to keep your monthly payment in your budget. This means you may have to look for lower priced homes the longer you hold off. Rates are rising, and the low numbers you're seeing today might not be here for long. Let's connect and make sure you can lock in a low rate now while you still have the purchasing power to get the home you deserve. Just call or text me at 405-233-3872, or you can visit us on the web at www.loansbywill.com. My team is ready to help you start the process and secure these rates. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to watch the first video in this series about the housing shortage if you did not get a chance. We'll hear from the Koenig team at Cornerstone Home Lending, and we look forward to helping you get the home you deserve.